AMSOIL 100% Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid protects high-stress transmissions, differentials and front drives. AMSOIL Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid is designed for enthusiasts who want the best protection against wear and performance-robbing deposits. Riders often burden their ATVs and UTVs with accessories meant to boost productivity, but which also increase heat and stress. Aggressive riding also takes its toll on gears, bearings and other components. Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid's exclusive formulation delivers the confidence to let you safely push your machine to the limit. In addition, it's warranty secure and will not void your ATV or UTV warranty. Severe service wear protection. Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid's durable synthetic base oils naturally resist viscosity loss due to mechanical shear better than conventional oils. It forms a strong lubricating film to keep metal components separated despite extreme pressure and heat from working hard or riding aggressively. It delivers confidence that your machine is protected in the toughest conditions, even if you have modified your ATV or UTV with a plow, winch, door panels and other accessories that increase weight and severity of service. Keeps components clean. By resisting oxidation better than standard service lubricants, Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid helps prevent deposits, which act as an insulator and prevent optimum heat dissipation. Transmissions, differentials and front drives not only run cooler, they remain clean for maximum performance and service life. Premium, purpose-built alternative. AMSOIL Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid is purpose-built and recommended by AMSOIL for use in Polaris ATV UTV transmission, differentials and front drives. Its unique formulation provides the convenience of buying only one lubricant for both areas instead of having to buy two different original equipment manufacturer lubricants. ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid benefits include: protects heavily loaded, high-torque gears. Designed to prevent clutch chatter. Flexible easy pack for clean, fast installation. High-performance alternative to Polaris Demand Drive Fluid and Polaris AGL Synthetic Gearcase Lubricant and Transmission Fluid. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL 100% Synthetic ATV UTV Powertrain Fluid today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the Preferred Customer Program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.